Here's how the US government could accumulate a sizable amount of Bitcoin within a budget-neutral framework. The US government could issue a 5-year, zero-interest, Bitcoin-backed convertible bond. What does that mean? Well, upon issuance, the Treasury would raise $100,000 per bond and immediately use the proceeds to purchase Bitcoin at market price. At $100,000 per Bitcoin, the US Treasury would buy 1 Bitcoin. This structure ensures that every bond is fully backed by Bitcoin from the start. Bondholders receive downside protection as they are guaranteed to receive their full $100,000 principal backed at maturity since the bond was issued by the US Treasury. However, if Bitcoin reaches $200,000 at any time before the bond matures, bondholders have the option to convert. Upon conversion, they can choose to receive either $150,000 in cash or 0.75 BTC. This ensures investors benefit from Bitcoin's upside while maintaining structured and risk-free downside protection. For the US government, this approach enables Bitcoin accumulation at no net cost, as long as Bitcoin appreciates over the 5-year period, which is to be expected since Bitcoin is long-term savings technology. If Bitcoin reaches $200,000 in 5 years, the Treasury's original Bitcoin purchase would double in value. After paying out $150,000 in cash or 0.75 BTC to converting bondholders, the government would retain 0.25 BTC per bond issued, effectively accumulating Bitcoin for free. Unlike traditional government debt, this structure requires no interest payments, making it a fiscally responsible way to gain exposure to Bitcoin without increasing the budget deficit. By offering investors a secure and flexible way to gain Bitcoin exposure while ensuring downside protection, this bond structure creates a win-win scenario. Investors receive a guaranteed return of principal with the ability to convert at a favorable rate if Bitcoin appreciates, while the government gains a strategic Bitcoin reserve in a politically viable and financially sustainable manner. Thanks for watching, everyone, and see you next time.